to weld this collar under this pulley to go under that blue engine. So I've got a hole in the table there. We're going to put a bolt down through it with a washer. And we're going to basically clamp it to the table so that it won't lift it up. And there is a very large mosquito in here somewhere. There he is again. Alright, it ain't going nowhere. Let's find a lens to put in front of this so I don't melt the screen of my GoPro. There you have it. And one little turd hanging out there, but it ain't coming off. Now when that cools, which I'm gonna put it outside. It's supposed to rain anyways. Not that it'll be long cooled off before it rains on it. Yep. She's plenty good. Alright. Anyways, when that cools off, now I can put it on the Duramax. I've got key stop to go in it. Oh, it's up here. Well, I say it's up here. I just saw it. Where did I see that? I don't even want to know what that was that fell. There it is. And I've still got to get this coupler so I can put that engine that's in the Bobcat on the log splitter. But I'm not going to be able to connect anything until... I think that's too big. I think that's it. Yeah, it's a little loose, but I think that's it. I don't know if this one's bigger or not. Same size, just longer. And I think this other one is going to be too big. Yep. So that's the one. Anyways, I don't know which one of them I'm going to use yet. But got it welded. It's ready to mount. And let's see what else I got to do. Need to finish cleaning all the little junk off of this table. And I need to get these tires sold or get them put on my trailer. I'm not sure which I'm going to do yet. I hate to take mine off because they still got plenty of tread. They just got an old date coat. And then I got to go through the nuts and bolts and put them in the nut and bolt bin, which that needs to be just completely emptied out and start over. Lots and lots of projects to do. Need to clean all these shelves off. Need to get on my plumbing stuff. I used a bunch of that PEX line today. Need to get all that stuff organized, and some of it needs to go in a truck because I do a lot of plumbing. Not a lot, but enough to where I need to keep stuff like this whole tote's full of all plumbing stuff. I've got PEX pliers for the little clamps. The LED light comes on when they reach the desired clamping strength. Anyways, it'll do, I think, all the way up to 1 inch. 3/8, half, 5/8, 3/4, and 1 inch, I believe. So, but I just got in from work. I had a little bit of time. I thought I'll hurry up and get that pulley welded out for that engine. I already had an idea how I was going to clamp it down the table. Little holes that I used for my motor mount work perfect. And one more little project scratched off the list. So get a chance, go check out my channel. I'm probably going to add a few other videos to this video since it's so short. And we'll go from there, guys. Thanks for watching. Later.